Hi, how was the exam difficulty level?
It was quite easy. I mean, if you have read the book, आपने अगर बुक्स पढ़ के आए हैं तो आप लगा सकते हो, क्वेश्चंस आपको आ जाएंगे.
Okay, so was it your first attempt?
Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of questions were there in the exam? The topics from which it were given?
काफी सारे टॉपिक्स थे. I mean, all the subjects have come. I think ortho, pedo, and OS. OP was the most I've seen the questions maximum from the OP, and सारे subjects थे उसमें तो.
Okay, so part A was easy or part B?
It was part B.
Okay, so did you like the time-bound sections which were there in the
Yeah,
exam?
I can manage. I have managed
And
my
how
time.
would you rate the overall difficulty level?
Moderate. It was moderate. Not
And-
so much difficult, not so much easy. It was moderate, and there are a lot of basic questions that have been asked. So आप अगर पढ़ के आए हो तो कर लोगे, आप निकाल लोगे.
Hi, so was it your first attempt at the exam?
Yes, this is my first attempt.
Okay, so how would you rate the overall difficulty level?
Out of 10, 8
Okay. How was the exam? What type of questions were there in the exam?
basic questions, more from the medical field, and overall it's okay, I think so.
Okay, so was part A more difficult or B?
Part A was easy. If I will read, then 5 and 5 it's good in part A, and part B maybe some complicated cases was there based on the OPD.
Okay, and the sections were time bound this year. So did you like that?
Yes.
Okay. So could you just tell us a little bit about the questions, the topics from which the questions were there in the exam?
Okay. I just right now I don't remember any question.
Okay, it's okay. Hi, so how was the exam difficulty level?
I think it was average, not very difficult. Part A is usually expected to be difficult, but I felt that it was average and not very difficult. And part B also was, part B was a little more difficult than usual. And I think there were many quite repeated questions in there.
So is it your first attempt?
Yeah, this was my first attempt.
So you like the time bound sections?
Yeah, I like the time-bound sections. It was okay.
Okay, and how would you rate the overall exam difficulty level?
Overall, it was like moderate.
Okay, were there any technical glitches at the time of
Technical
giving?
glitches? No, there were no technical glitches.
Thank you so much. Hi, how was the exam difficulty level?
It was quite alright, I would say, because since the level of students have been, how should I put it, the number of pass outs are more
Okay.
going forward. So the difficulty of the pattern of the exam is as such.
So did you like the change in the exam pattern this year? Like it was paper B, paper A and B?
Yeah, it is good. It is a good chance to enhance the merit requirement, enhance the knowledge enhancement. It is really a good thing.
So you like the time bound section?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so what kind of questions were there in the exam? Could you just throw a light on it?
Certain questions were the direct questions that were given, and certain questions were case-based. So, yeah, it is easy if we put our mind into it.
Okay, so were there any technical glitches?
As of now, I don't think so.
Okay, thank you so much. Hi, how was the paper?
It was good. मेरा अच्छा गया, काफी अच्छा गया एकदम.
Okay, so did you like the change in the exam pattern this year?
Yes, थोड़ा मुझे काफी मीडियम टाइप लगा एग्जाम. बाकी कुछ क्वेश्चंस मुझे इजी लगे, कुछ हार्ड भी थे.
Which section was more easy, like section A or section B?
मुझे मतलब एग्जैक्ट तो नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन मतलब मेरा एग्जाम ठीक गया, अच्छा गया.
Okay, what type of questions were there in the exam?
क्लिनिकल भी थे, थ्योरेटिकल भी थे. काफी अच्छा पेपर आया हुआ था, बाकी ओवरऑल मेरा अच्छा गया है.
Thank you.
थैंक यू.
Hi, was it your first attempt?
Yeah.
Was it your first attempt? Okay. So how was the exam difficulty level?
Okay.
Okay, so how would you rate it basically? It was like easy, moderate or difficult?
Moderate.
Okay, and was like part A easy or part B easy? Which part was it?
For me, it was part B. Part A is
Okay, and what type of questions were there in the exam? Could you just tell us the topics?
it was like clinical basis.
the time-bound section were introduced this year. So did you like this change?
Yeah, it was good. It was
Okay.
challenging.
Thank you so much.